that was
17 to 37. I can play down to 12.
wow.
65.
Whoa.
I don't even remember if you remember this. This used to be the C pillar.
Yeah, it's the C pillar, and you went from C to B. Dude, that's a monster. How low was that? That was
17 to 37. I can play down to 12.
wow.
65.
Whoa.
615 EP6Ks
Yep.
on the 6 order on 67600s. Everything Cosmos Audio.
Cosmos Audio. So you're on Team Cosmos? Okay.
I'm technically the president of
President.
Team Cosmos.
Wow. Did you build this?
Captain.
Captain.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Wow. And you said you got a 65?
63.4.
63.4.
Out of C pillar. Yeah,
Okay.
out of C pillars. This
Yep.
right here, I haven't got the meter.
You haven't metered yet?
Full meter yet.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
We're gonna see what it does today. Thank you.
What is your tunings on
So
this?
rear chamber is 25 hertz. Front chamber is 51 hertz.
Okay. Wow. So that's how you're playing so low. That's incredible, man. Really nice work, man.
I appreciate it.
Wow, that's
I
awesome.
appreciate it.
Yeah, thanks for the demo. That was great. That's a night
for you to come around.
That's a night and day difference. And like the lows, you don't even hear the distortion in the lows. So you're just super clean and it just floats.
Right now, it's roughly around 3,000 watts worth of is all
It is? Okay.
So with box ride.
Yeah. Can I see the amps in the back?
Hey, Jacob. They're on all corners.
Oh!
Back and rear.
Okay. Woo. Wow. Uh-oh, sorry. Wow, that was really, really windy. So you have a total of 6 of these?
Yes, sir.
Woo. Are these at a 1 ohm, half ohm, 0.3, half ohm? Okay. Nice. Awesome. High rise means you're efficient, but it sucks.
Yep.
Yep.
All right, I can deal with it.
Yes, sir. Yeah, thanks, man. Yes, sir. Yep.
DJ
you went from C to B.
Man, that's a monster. How low was that? That was
17 to 37. I can play down to 12.
wow.
65.
Whoa.
It's wrong value to chase it with I can hear the music continue to crescendo. I can see the moon floating venue from my window. That's when you know you're schizo. As I keep peeking out the curtain from the hotel. The music is so loud, it's almost no out.
What's going on, everybody? This is JacobViral, ending this video to say thank you for watching my videos. Every single day I have a daily cardio video I upload. So if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell, and I'll see you tomorrow.